Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, WLAN module, and WWAN module. Removal. Disconnect the webcam cable from the connector on the motherboard. Remove the wireless WAN antenna and webcam cables from the routing tab on the top cover. Disconnect the display panel cables from the connector on the motherboard. Remove the wireless LAN antenna and display panel cables from the routing tab on the top cover. Grasp the top cover near the display panel hinges and open it approximately 90 degrees. Remove the four 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Remove the three 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Slide the alignment pins on the top cover out of the display panel hinges and remove. Note: before installing a new top cover, remove all components from the old top cover and install them onto the new top cover. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel assembly or top cover.